Hello! We're excited to share how Pack gives brands the ability to easily run highly performant split tests directly within the Pack admin. What you'll see is how Pack approaches testing and how it's different than other tools, what types of tests you can run in Pack, and a brief demo of how you can run a test from start to finish. First, let's touch on what makes Pack's A/B testing different. Brands already love using Pack to efficiently manage their storefront and content. The top request that we heard from users was making testing core to their storefront. While it's great to be able to launch content quickly, it's crucial to measure the impact of those updates. Instead of relying on bulky third parties, Pack's A/B testing feature is integrated directly into your management system, which means it's seamless to turn on and makes all the content and features testable in your storefront. One of the core benefits of Shopify Hydrogen's framework is the ability to dynamically serve content from Shopify's servers. Pack leverages this technology to deliver these tests server-side, which means fast delivery, no hijacking the browser or flickering for the user. For customer data and analytics, our goal is to encourage integration with existing systems. If you're using existing providers around analytics or attribution, CDPs, or data warehousing, Pack's powerful webhooks makes it easy to identify your key test events and send your testing data anywhere you'd like for analysis. Similar to managing storefront components and content, Pack's Customizer has been extended to work with A/B testing so that a marketer is able to set up and launch a server-side A/B test all without a developer. Lastly, by being fully integrated, Pack's A/B testing is cost-effective and low maintenance. If you're using Pack and Hydrogen for storefronts or landing pages, Pack's built-in A/B testing eliminates additional tools to learn, manage, and budget for. Now let's explore the 3 types of tests you can run in Pack. Pack's Visual Customizer makes it easy to test any element on your page, including copy, imagery, adding or hiding or reordering sections. Anything that you can manage through the customizer can be tested all without a developer. For more in-depth changes, you can work with a developer to add options for testing unique page layouts, toggling on or off third-party platforms, and other unique features throughout the site. And for the more technical types, you also have full access to Pack's A/B testing packages and webhooks to build your own tests directly in the code. You can run as many tests as you want with several variations without having to worry about performance. For the purposes of the demo, let's stick with a simple test within the customizer. So I'll flip over to the admin and spin up an A/B test from start to finish. First, you'll open Pack's admin to access the A/B testing tab. From this view, you'll be able to see all of your tests, whether those tests are actively running, paused, or ended. Let's create a new test. We'll call it PDP content. You can choose a test handle, which will be the test ID. Now let's add a quick description of our test. Let's say I want to reorder content on PDP to improve add to cart rate. Click Save Tests and you'll see 2 variants appear, your control and your variant. Here in the top right, you can edit the test. You can choose to deliver a test to a specific customer segment by specifying a URL, a query, a path, or a UTM parameter. Let's select our UTM source to equal Facebook. I can also add as many other conditions as I want. In the future, you'll be able to access customer segment data across Shopify or other customer data platforms to segment your tests. It's easy to add additional test variants and adjust traffic percentages. For this test, we'll just do a 50-50 split. Now let's add our goal criteria. I'll create a name for my goal, then choose from a variety of basic events from GA. I can also choose to add a custom event if I can't find the event I'm looking for. We'll select Add to Cart from the list and choose how we want to aggregate the data. In this case, let's look at the rate at which unique users add to cart. At the bottom of the screen, I can see a preview of how my data will look, and I'll add a goal to my test. Now that I've set up my test variants and my goal, I can open them up in the Pack Customizer. I can activate the test interface here, and then I can toggle between my variants. Let's make some changes to variant B. I can change as many elements as I want for my test variants. Copy, imagery, section order, anything I can do in the customizer I can put through a test. I can even go into my global settings to test site-wide changes. For example, I can change my add to cart copy or show or hide reviews. But for this test, our team has a theory around reordering content. Currently, we have 2 template sections that show up on all of our shirts. One is a recommended product grid. The second is a lifestyle imagery related to the product. Our team thinks that we can improve our add to cart rate by putting the lifestyle imagery first rather than suggesting they look at other products. We can flip between variants here and compare your pages. Then we can preview and run the test. To preview your test and force yourself into your test segment, you can copy the URL from the preview button while in test mode and add it to an incognito window. Or you can just grab the URL and paste it into an incognito window. If your traffic percentages are set to 50-50, you have a 50-50 chance of seeing the test variant. Now let's start running our test. I can pause the test at any time or end the test to promote a winning variant. In the admin, I get a quick snapshot of the data that's flowing through. You can also choose to send that test data to any platform for analysis. We've built our initial demo setup with GA4, but we're also looking with some great tech partners to better analyze this data. Our plans for integration include a number of data and analytics solutions, as well as customer data platforms for further segmentation and targeting. Hopefully by now you're thinking about all the different tests that are possible and how easy it is to deliver performant A/B tests using Pack. Please let us know if you have any questions, and again, thank you for walking through Pack's beta A/B testing feature.